Ooh, what's this? Ah, could be? Could it be? A solar panel. Yes, it is. And it comes with an inverter in its cable. A battery, 100 amp hours. Ah, charge controller. Cheap one though. 30 amperes, 12 to 24 volts. And of course, something to stick it on. Well, let's see. Okay, so this is our small solar setup. This is why it's very exciting for me. I was very excited this afternoon to work on this because I've always wanted to have my own solar system. And since everything was very expensive, all I needed to do was I decided to do was try to get the basics and work on it. Okay, so I showed you earlier the components, and now they're all stuck together. Okay, so this is the charge controller. Okay, and it's working with a 12.6 battery. This is the wiring. This is the how it's wired in the inverter, and this is the battery. This is the battery. There. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. Okay, so it shows the. I tried to put I put a kilowatt. So we have 233 volts, 221, and the power is on. There's no fault. And this is the kilowatt. And turn it on, please. Electric fan. Okay, so we're turning on the fan. And so the fan is showing 68 watts of usage. Maintain at 220, 221. And the volts 12.4, 12.3. All right. We can try another. All right. This is the temporary space for this setup. So I have my battery and the inverter, and right now the charge controller isn't charging because it's full. Okay, it's full. So the solar panel is already connected, and it's a 200 watt solar panel, just one, and hopefully that charges the batteries in a day or two, since this setup is made to take over this dinosaur. Okay, so this is a 10-year-old 10 kVA Chinese single cylinder engine, tractor engine, and a dynamo. That's a dynamo there, and that throws 10 kVA. The plan is to hook up that service entrance, hook up that wire into the inverter slot. That's for another video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you got something out of this.